Then we have next question here. Which of the following are true? So let's evaluate each statement. The sum of probability of an event and its complement is 1. This is true. Okay, let's just outright select this. So the sum of the probabilities of an event and its complement is obviously true. Is 1. Okay. Um, yeah, how do I explain? Probability is sum of 2, so if probability of 1 occurring, 1 minus probability of that event not occurring. So it's a total sum, right? The next statement is the probability of an impossible event is 0. And that's again true. Probability of the union of two events is the sum of their probabilities. This is false because it's not always the case. You have to subtract the probability of their intersection. So this is wrong. Unless it's mutually exclusive, then obviously the sum will be the addition of two individual probabilities. Last, we have if an event is a subset of another event, its probability is less than or equal to it. If an event is a subset of another event, its probability is less than or equal to it. Yeah, true. So let's represent it. A is subset of B. Then obviously probability of A is going to be less than or equal to probability of B. It's a subset. It's it's under the umbrella of the larger B. A is part of B. So obviously it's not the probability of picking A will not exceed probability of picking B, right? That's why this option is correct. So these are three correct options. Then we have question number 2. What is the probability of getting a black card or a 5 from a deck of 52 cards? So getting a black card, how many black cards are there? Black cards. So there are 26 black cards, spades plus clubs. Getting fives is 4. It's 4 fives, 2 are blacks, 5 of spades, 5 of clubs. So probability is going to be 26 over 52. Sorry, total cards are 52. Plus 4 over 52, minus 2 over 52. This is again going to be 7 over 13, which means this one. This is a very simple question. You're not getting the answer because you don't know the cards and how many cards are there and how they're represented. That's why you're not able to answer. So don't freak out. It's a pretty straightforward question. What is the probability of getting a 1 or a 2 when die is rolled? 1 or a 2. Okay. So how many possible outcomes are there? So possible outcomes are 6. Okay. Favorable outcome is of getting a 1 or 2. So there are only 2 events that we want. 2. Okay. Favorable outcomes. So what's the probability? 2 over 6, 1 over 3. Okay. Very simple. Straightforward. Last one. A letter is chosen randomly from probability, okay, this word, and another is chosen randomly from statistics. Find the probability that the chosen letter is same. So probability has how many characters? It has 11 letters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11. Statistics has how many characters? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay? Now, what are the common letters that we are getting? So P is repeated 1, R is repeated once, O is repeated once, B is repeated twice, A is repeated once, I is repeated twice, L is repeated once, T is repeated once, and Y is repeated once. Okay? Statistics. S is repeated 3 times, T 1 time, A 1 time, and I 2 times, C 1 time. So all the one-timers we are going to remove. And so if we see, so find the probability that chosen letter is same. Okay. Chosen letter A is coming once. So common letters, what are the common letters? A is a common letter. I is a common letter. P, no. R, no. O, no. B, no. T is a common letter. That's it. C is not there. S is not there. So only 3 letters are A, I, T. So now you are going to choose. In probability, you are getting A1. In statistics, also, you are getting A1. In probability I, you are getting 2 times. In statistics as well, you're getting it 2 times. But at T, you are getting probability only 1. But T in statistics, you're getting thrice. So how many total you have? So what's the probability here? Okay, number of ways of choosing A. It's only one because there are only one. You can either choose this A, this A. That's it. There's only one way. Number of ways you can choose I. You can either choose one of P probability, one of statistics, one of again two of probability, two of statistics. So there are four ways. Two times two. Okay, because there are multiple ways of picking. Likewise, three probability of picking T. How many ways you can choose? It's three times one, which is three. So total favorable ones are 1 plus 4 plus 3. You get 8. Okay. There are 8 ways you can choose a common letter. And how many total ways are there? So total ways are how many? 11 from probability, 10 from statistics. So there are 110 ways of choosing a letter. So your probability is going to be 8 over 110, which means this answer is right. Okay, sorry. Yeah. The only trick here is you are also utilizing counting principles. That's why it took longer, but it's pretty straightforward.